Did you hear? Is Cristiano and the merciless Mercy, her sister, are the people stealing in this our village. I know it. I know! No wonder. That's why they always throw money around as if they work in the bank. I am surprised now.
Oshigiri!
Talk it again. Na koroyaka.
No, I didn't say anything. Sorry, I am talking.
Oh, you...
I am sorry. I'm very sorry. Shut up! My mom. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
See, Mercy, I don't tell why I want to hear you this thing within my mind. Baby, like I said, they call liver. But I don't get that liver finish.
What do your liver tell you?
Yes, I'm in love with you.
Che, see love. Che, you will go. Che, I don't die. Aye. It will go.
Chai.
It will go.
Are you serious? Chai. Let's Mercy.
You know, say that me first they like you that time, self. But
are you serious?
I just say man, leave work for you. Now man supposed to do all the work now.
Confirm.
So now, what do you want?
See, I want to make you be my friend.
Friend, I be just friend.
Just friend. I want you to be my girlfriend.
You just want chop national cake.
Chai, I take no now.
I get there. Very fit, I go deep.
You don't bust
Live fat.
Chai, see, you know, say body no be firewood.
No, you say body no be firewood. Even fella talk am.
Merciless Mercy. Mercy Lolo.
Chai. Onye nke.
One need the child.
I had to go to okay. I had to go to woo.
Hey, don't bust my head, though. Merciless Mercy. I'm a little
You know what's happening?
Yeah.
I could go, I'll come back for you, don't worry.
Merciless Miss. I do wait too.
Merci Lolo, Tiepia, merci Lolo.
Merci Lolo.
Oh, na Tom, canna, they go to cheese.
You don't bust my head. Mercy, I'm a little baby. Merci Lolo. Chai, the child.
Oh, my style, oh, my style, here now.
Chai, the child. Chai. Hey, my wallet, my phone. Hey, Mercy. Hey, Mercy.
Christy.
Hey, Mercy there.
So now this thing, these people,
Easy. Don't touch it. Look at my face now. Look at what these girls did to me. Look at what they did to me. You just left me around the way. Is it fair?
no verse now, eh? You see what happened that day, eh? Those girls just jump, bam, like lion, eh? Oh, yeah. Now I make I take Ben Johnson now, eh? No verse.
Why did you stand? Look at what they did to me. Fight that was meant for a full community. Pity that was meant for a full community. They give it to just one person.
Hey, sorry now. You know, say this fight, did they arrange jam, package jam, You know me now. I be lion. Eh?
Come my body in everywhere is spinning me my back everywhere. Don't touch it. Want to kill me.
No vex. Nobody will come and beat you. I will come and fight for you. Eh? You see, say those girls, this thing they are doing is not funny anymore. Eh? We are going to deal with them.
Oh yeah, I'm going to deal with them. Don't tell me that rubbish, I beg, please. I beg you in the name of God in heaven. Change topic. Let's just change topic. I don't want problem. I don't want their trouble. It's okay, I beg. It's okay. It's okay.
Hi. No vex now. No dey. I go cry yo. Eh? I go follow you cry yo.
Everywhere now. Everywhere.
It's okay.
You don't mean it. Odudu, so you mean all these things happen to you?
See Johnson, if I dey yarn you this thing, this is how they play. Because say you know my power, personal power, that's why they yarn you this thing. Mama, I don't know if you go outside, go the reason this thing outside with people day now. They go be laugh at me.
Are you sure these girls are not using charm to stare?
Mama, you're on target.
Abi?
Just a common hug. Just a common hug. Piam. They go now phone. I don't see my phone, I don't see my money again.
But what if she not allow you to access her ministry?
And the whole house now, where they go carry me. This, no be laughing, my guy, no be laughing matter. They're taking more than required. This is no be but nothing, I know what. No, wahala, I know what to do.
You mean Abi?
Nothing. No wahala. No be me again.
Now you na Abi.
But why they laugh now?
No wahala, let's start that.
Come on. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Oh, yo, Titi. Come on.
Talking everywhere in the village. Spreading the gospel. Okoye? Eh? You think we will not catch you? Okay. Lie on the floor.
Oh yeah. Let's go there. Talk what you talk.
It's not me, oh. It's my friend that started it. Oh. Yes.
And it's the devil work. Okoye?
Over to you. Finish the business. Get down! Christine, oh, you manufactured the rice while your friend finished it up with the stew.
What do you want me to do to her, man?
Finish the job.
So you'll be talking about
Hey, God! Hey, Jesus!
Boro isi n'ala.
Jesus!
Boro isi n'ala. Chai, one more. It is okay.
Nyawa ka nna achọ nta ọgụ. Mba chee ka m kwuo eziokwu niile. Mba. Ka m kwuo ekwuwego m. Hey, it's my friend though that started it, the gossip. Hey, nwa nwere aja, o tiego m na nsogbu. Come on! Get up! Stand up! Attention! Compassion! Attention! Let's go there.
Remember that thing will be your friend that day. Now we go do now. Jebe ni kuraja nkige eri won. Aji pe yan lolo. Ana nna ge wera ala n'obodo a. Jebe ni je kuraja ngwa. Yebo, osugogi. Sit down. Norana. Bugari bezenni no dining dey fa. We have go to dining Karaka. The wenni tawaja. Come on, hey!
Stew na bia. Chalo. One. I am. Ome. Ahịhịa ndụ ngwa. Stew. Ọbịa. Na me. Stew agbakwara nụ me. Not again. Come on. Not again. Libya. Inside. Libya. Oh yeah. Libya. I am.
Mercy.
Not again.
So, Papa, how much does a bag of cement cost in this village?
It is sold for 1,700 naira now. The price is not consistent.
Okay. Have you met with the bricklayers?
Yes, I have done so. But how many bags are you going to buy for a start?
Since we will mold blocks and also start with the foundation immediately, 100 bags.
100 is okay for a start. So you can buy 100 for a start.
Community terrorists. Boom, boom, boom. Ndi tomboy. Boom, boom, boom. Ogonamba. Okenoso. Boom, boom, boom. Ndi tomboy. Ndi amakarisi. Umamboga. Eyikwe egwu. Boom, boom, boom. Ndi tomboy. Ndi amakarisi. Ichoka ifu. Enyegi ya. Second. Ndi tomboy. Boom, boom, boom.
How sweet though. Eh? See as everybody just they fear us.
Even our friends.
Yes, sir.
They run. They fear.
Before.
But you know what's happening? We have to lay low for some time.
You want make we ceasefire?
Yes, now.
Why now? You dey fear?
I fear. If you know the fear, I dey fear. You reach me to cool down.
I want for you. Anyway, shall you get one thing we need to do? You understand? We will do that one thing. Then we stop.
So sorry, Emeka.
You must marry with me.
Papa, this has to stop. My sweat, I go to work morning till night, come back, my sweat gone. Papa, you have got to do something about it. This madness must stop. How can this be happening in our village? My village, your village? Papa, it has to stop. How do these people expect me to build a new house? To maintain my car?
Calm down. It is already out of hand. Something must be done urgently. Okay, I think we have to meet the Igwe.
Papa, I met with the Igwe yesterday. I met with him. He said he will see to it. Papa, you better follow this up. I won't take it.
It's okay. I will do. First thing in the morning, I will meet the Igwe so that we get solution to it. So that this madness will stop.
Papa, something had better be done, oh. If it means me going to the city and bringing down military men. Papa, it has to stop.
The Igwe have instructed that all the youth in this community, wherever you are, you must come out at the village square tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning. Oye no nyagwa nwani o. Get nonti. The Igwe have instructed that all the youth in this community must come out first thing tomorrow morning at the village square. Oye no nyagwa nwani o.
I like that your girl.
Are you serious?
Local girl.
The man, my girl is not a local girl.
Leave that thing.
That babe.
That girl, she's really killing me, like seriously. I will marry her.
Leave that thing.
Think I'm joking. Don't worry, you'll see now.
Do you hear that?
I heard it too.
Maybe there is a big problem.
Ha! Igwe again. I'm seriously tired of this village. But come to think of it, Igwe has never summoned the youth before.
Hey, finish up the issue. Let's see what's going on.
I strongly believe that Christiana and Mercy are the thieves that behind all these things that have been happening in this community. I believe.
It's an understatement if you should sound like that. Me, I believe so. Do you understand? All those things they did at the village square were mere pretense. Oh! Own criminals in those shots.
I know.
Why you not going to make a work? Eh? Is it not okay? Here, now. Are you not with drug criminals in those shots? Hey! So, why started again? Y'all started again. Y'all started again. Hey! You started again. Hey! I got the one. Come on, shut up. I don't shut. Please, finish them out. Yo, make amends. You can make amends. Come, we can make amends. Come on, okay now. Come on. Wait,
Mercy! Mercy! Christiana! So you people cannot answer calls again, okay? Come on, get up. Oh, if I sit down, you want to sit down with me? Now listen and listen good. First thing tomorrow morning, I want the two of you to pack your things and leave my house. And failure to do that, don't blame me for whatever will happen to you. Have I made myself clear? Now get out. Get inside.
You're in our father's house.
I said get out!
Where are we going to go to?
Get inside.
We're in our father's house.
Oh,
You're not going anywhere.
you are in your father's house. Don't do what I told you now. You see what will happen to you.
You are in our father's house. You are in our father's house. Go to your own father's house.
Oh, idiot. Don't. By tomorrow morning, don't leave.
de gugudo pero ya lo de bindi double wave we no we make do the movie na soga.
Ole ya imere ajikwata fufu anyị dịkwa n'ime dọtị yo maka nri ehihie na abalị yo Olisa Chukwu ọnọdụ nke
let's go to a new place somewhere nobody knows us and we don't even know people. Let's start our life again then.
You're very, very well. This is a new beginning for us. Your papa and his children and his wife eat the house.
Olisa biko biko afufu ebola anyị o afufu ebola anyị ewu ndị oshi na-akụ babangolo bangolo Emeka onye oshi babangolo bangolo gị na oyi gị nwanyị babangolo bangolo onye oshi ọkụkọ babangolo bangolo edebe ego ofu ọnụ ụlọ babangolo bangolo chara nụ ha n'ụzọ babangolo bangolo terrorists babangolo bangolo criminal babangolo bangolo oji egbe ezu babangolo bangolo ewu ndị oshi na-akụ babangolo bangolo Emeka onye oshi babangolo bangolo gị na oyi gị nwanyị babangolo bangolo onye oshi ọkụkọ babangolo bangolo edebe ego ofu ọnụ ụlọ babangolo bangolo chara nụ ha n'ụzọ babangolo bangolo terrorists babangolo bangolo criminal babangolo bangolo oji egbe ezu babangolo bangolo. They want turn the community upside down with their nonsense lie. Ebe ha jikwa egbe ezu obodo nọ n'ụjọ gịnị na-afịakwa Emeka onye oshi na-aga oji egbe ezu ọtụ mmanụ baza ọ chọrọ ịmapụ ihe na
Adanje Jemba. Adanje Jemba. Mango meat baby. Mango meat. Shay, what the hell here? Let me just take something.
A lot of people, they are making it big.
God, you can wine and okay dinner. Oh, of course you did. Oba, go.
Your turn.
Eh? No. What? You know where you're going? Wait. No.
Chere. Now your turn.
Your own is small. My own is bigger.
Come on, drink. Now you're my auto. You have to surprise me. I think I know. Moto.
It's too much. You.
Drink on. Auto can be a man, eh? More. Also.
Ọkwa mkwaya. Oha. Ọkwa mkwaya.
Wakasia. You are there. You are now my man.
Yes,
You are now my auto, my personal auto. My dear, you know in this village,
People are making small money. Doing small things, but I want you to hit it big. Hey! I want you to hit it big. You know, for me and you now. You know, when it's good for you, it's good for me. That reminds me. What about that goat?
Me? I sold the goat. I didn't go. I sold it.
What for you?
Look at it. Just count it. 10,000.
10 get tau.
1,000.
Tau.
Count it again.
Hold on. I don't play.
I didn't go back.
Otu mbo. Nto. No. Isi. Isa. My person.
So. Okay, bank it. Better bank it. Bank it. So you'll be keeping the money by the month and we share. Do you understand?
We share later now.
Later, no, not now, not now. I know you. You're not the love of my life.
Why not?
Love of my life. See, let me tell you something.
I'm here.
I'm even thinking to go for the big fish.
Big fish?
Yes.
I don't understand. How does someone come, man?
How will you understand? Are you not the person who always encourage me? See, that I have to upgrade this business. Any business somebody is doing, you have to upgrade it. I want to upgrade. I am tired of stealing all these small goats, cows.
What do you want to do? Tell me.
And all that. See, I have to pursue men with raw cash. What do you think?
Raw cash. Hey, you are my person.
You know?
That's why I say you are my author.
Hey, what
now I can feel you.
Yes.
How are you going to go about it? Are you going to use stick to get the raw cash? Now you get just see better the main cash, man.
No, far from it. See, I'm a man.
I got pigwe.
Chai!
You never can tell.
One name lay. I got pigwe. Chai! Now you are talking.
Oh, I'm quiet. Wait. I got in there. I have to be going.
Are you ready?
For what? I can. I'm strong.
In the shot. Oh my God. No fault.
How can I get myself out? Relax. I'm going to do it. Relax.
It's you quiet.
Hey, let me just see. Now what?
Easy, man. Why?
Emeka.
Papa.
Emeka.
Papa. I am also
Emeka.
Papa.
How many times have I called you?
3 times.
You see, an adage says that the ear that will hear must not necessarily be as wide as the heart. Emeka, your life has changed, and unfortunately for bad. Every now and then, I and your mother lose money in this house. And I know you are the one stealing all the money we are losing in this house. But that is not the problem now. The issue now is that people around here have started pointing accusing fingers at you.
Oh yes. I don't know what you're talking about. I am not a thief. People are entitled to their own opinion, so they can talk whatever they like about me. I don't care.
All right, okay, don't care. But let me remind you, if you have forgotten, that in this village, the penalty for theft is what? Death.
Hey.
Simple. Amen. I just want to remind you.
Amen.
Mama, see, I am tired of all these accusations and counter accusations. I am not a thief. Can't you hear me?
Hey.
All right.
Well, I have said my own. Is it
Gini na fiakwa Emeka onye oshi na-aga Oji egbezu Otu mmanụ baza Ọ chọrọ ịmakwa ihe na-afịọ Ihe ọ mara bụ ihe ọ chọrọ onweta ya Anywhere you see him run He no get good intentions
Hey, what? Now you want?
What for you? Why did you
You be shy guy. Otega. You be sharp guy. Now your guy, you want find me?
No, let's
look at the event there.
Let's go down to
The counter is complete. Who's lazy?
Confirm. You know about do. Just let us out the car. How better take cigars smoke.
No. Keep it for another day. Keep it for another day. You know, say go and bring this name on up and can see. Go.
Come. Just relax here.
Go get him. On up and can see because.
About do. Jump this one. See the package there. You know, say this girl no be shoot bed in the fly. Anything will come out now, you know.
Okay.
And don't forget, say I don't know you don't know me.
I don't know you from Adam. But I don't know you. No problem. I don't know you.
Good day, ma. Good day, ma. Wow. Chief Priest, I want to know why I paid you to do something for me. Another thing is now happening. See, my son Emeka is now mad. Why now?
Woman, I don't know what you are talking about.
What do you mean by you don't know what I'm talking about? I'm telling you that my son Emeka is now mad and you are telling me I don't know what you're talking about.
What you want to put in the Eliosi?
Hey. Please, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm just confused. Please tell me what to do now. Please. Because tell me what to do.
There is nothing you will do unless you are willing to carry the cost.
Hey! Have fun, ma. Carry which cost? I will carry any cost. I want to. What I said should happen to other people's children. It's not happening to my son. Please. There's nothing else you can do.
You have made your choice.
Solid Ara. I feel like I'm a nigga, you know. Chai. Okay, take it easy.
Leave me alone.
Do you know?
Whenever I have this. Baby, what is that now?
I bring her this. My heart will be joyous. Wait. I become happy than ever. You know. See, let me tell you. Right this moment, we'll be upgrading. We'll be soaring like eagle in the high.
Hey, Otom. My God.
I rejoice because our level is now soaring higher, like the eagle in the high.
We are not flying.
Yes, so it's now digital. It's never analog anymore.
You mean we are going to be doing digital robbery?
I'm not going to hear me too.
You want to talk him?
You know what? If you talk to me like this, I go deal with you.
What we go deal with me?
I'll tell you. Don't run too much. I don't have to speed that old road.
Wow.
Never mind.
Maybe let me keep this for you. And let I go drink you.
Better. Do you know, right this moment now, I want people to Google us on the Google. And when they want to Google, they will write Adanweli Fele and
no. Otolem.com.
In fact, .go. They will see ammunition. They will see ammunition.
It's not ammunition. It's ammunition.
Ammunition, whatever. Because for the first say ammo, they there. Let it go.
No, it's not ammunition.
No problem. Ammo is ammo.
Stop that.
Leave me alone now. I want to feel free.
Chief.
Chief Udeo.
I heard the people are doing very well.
So,
that our people can now sleep with 2 eyes closed.
Chief, it has not been easy.
I'm really impressed.
But this is the only village. This is the only village you have. So we have to protect with the last drop of our blood.
Take this for your.
Hey!
Take more and take and shine eye.
Clear for Chief there.
And I will see the Igwe later. Then by the time I get back to the city, I will send you people a bus so that you can use for your operations. Is that okay?
Chief, I salute you. Chief, this evening, me and my boys will come to your area. They will pay homage.
I'd expect to, no wahala.
Clear road for Chief.
Why? What? The thing that always baffle me and it even annoy me is that you always like to Ochi. But you can't even, it's not good now.
But when the time is right now.
So sometimes when I bring money, but relax,
when you bring enough, you have to bring enough, eh?
Never mind.
Hold on, baby. That reminds me, I heard that Chief Dikeh is in town.
Is it that?
I don't know.
Who told you that?
Eh? He didn't know. Also do now. I met him during the day. He told me that the man is in town. I was like, wow.
Did he give you further details about his visit?
Nothing really much. He said the man will be staying only 2 days. I got to stay in the village.
That is very good. Mango meat, baby. That is very good. It is very, very, in fact, in my heart, I am joyous. I am joyous because we are going to visit him.
Are you serious?
Kaiga Hochi. Kaiga Zuteya.
Wait.
I swear.
After the whole thing, you don't pay. Let's just have this one, like
one for the road.
You
are not joking. I'm going to do it.
Hello.
Yes. Now Sondo.
Remy no go come our house again. I just say no go come our house again. Say he go nightclub. Nightclub.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
I don't know which one. You go just find out. I don't know the nightclub where you go.
I will find out before the night falls. Yeah, I will find out.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, baby. Listen. Remy will be attending the nightclub tonight. So get ready.
It can't be any other nightclub, eh? It can't be.
Huh?
It has to be this Elite nightclub.
No. Osondo doesn't have that information. But I'll find out.
See, Relax, okay, just relax. We will get him. We will get him. I get you, dear. We will get him. Ha.
Trust me. Okay.
Hey, young man, what can I do for you?
Lovely house, I must say.
Thank you. And what help can I do to you, please?
Chief. Relax. I was not break, man. I was not speed.
Please, okay, come on.
I'm your
sit
friend.
down, please.
Relax. Chief.
What's this supposed to mean?
Don't you like what you're seeing?
I like it, but this is not the way. Can you sit down, let us talk, please?
Relax. You talk too much. Chief.
What kind of thing is this? Please, gentlemen, can you sit down?
Oh,
let us talk?
fine.
I don't know why you are inconveniencing me.
I'm sorry, man. Chief.
Jesus Christ, what's all this?
Chief, relax. I'm your friend.
Chief.
Chief, my friend, what's the problem?
Shut up there. Come on, keep quiet there. If I hear anything from you again, I will blow your brains off and share your carcass to the beast of burden. Are you mad?
Chief, are you listening? In our phone.
But over here, just keep, chief, enjoyment galore. Then let me get the money upstairs. Come on, laugh! Smile! Smile immediately.
You ready, man? Chief.
Oh, God.
What the fuck? Man, fucking lie down. Lie down.
Come this way.
Lie down.
That must be
Chief. See you next time.
The great one. I want you to fortify us.
Yes.
So that neither the police nor the vigilante can apprehend us.
Yes.
Or succeed in killing us.
Nyekelepoto, unanugi wapu. Him. Hello, yado, onne. Ulu ko nelu. Ulu mo nge jadi mo ya wala oso. Aku ibu nuzim kan neme. Unu shemu gaba niru. Paketi aba mo akwa ku elu ajoko do ru na no kolo ku shina abo. Ode shi na obi obuli o man ne de. Him. But there's a price you must pay. Are you ready?
Whatever price it is, no problem. We are dead ready.
Yes, we will pay.
We will pay.
Are you sure?
Good.
Yeah, yes, we will pay.
We will pay, whatever.
You must pay 100,000 naira.
100,000.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
100.
Give him the money. Give him the money.
We will bring it. We will bring the money.
Yeah, we will bring it.
Yes.
Him. On the lawyer do. But you must avoid some certain things.
Okay, things like what? The
Yes. What do we have to avoid?
Okay, the great one. We should avoid Ibum.
Great one, sorry.
Please don't be offended. That is what I'm thinking. Biko, don't be offended.
You should be sorry for yourself.
Where the guy? Where they follow this guy bumper to bumper now? This guy has power. Okay, mama, follow this. Nah. Person why they follow bumper to bumper? This guy there, you know. And they follow bumper to bumper. Slave. On the daughter, but I go.
Ngo baby. Ngo.
Hassan.
You're here.
I'm here.
That's the watch. How you such the shine though?
It's good.
So with the watch, wait, make I just stop it. With the watch now, make I help you. Don't worry.
No, don't worry.
You don't need to fight.
I will do it. Don't worry.
Yeah. Yes. Ngo baby. Hey Ngo, how about that your brother now, Kelvin?
My brother is fine, but he's not back.
Which time we won't come back now?
Is everything alright?
Yes. I just want. I see my come greet him, you know.
Okay, he'll be back in a few days' time.
Okay. No worry. I will come back, come greet him anytime we come.
Okay.
Make I help you wash now.
No, I say don't worry. I will do it.
You're sure?
I will do it.
You go, baby. Make I go. I won't see my friend for that corner. You know now.
Okay.
No time. I'll come back.
Greet your parents for me.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Ewundo shinaku, bangolo bangolo. Emeka onye oshi, bangolo bangolo. Gino yigi wanyi, bangolo bangolo. Onye oshi ọkụkọ, bangolo bangolo. Edebe ego ofu ọnụụlọ, bangolo bangolo. Chara nụ ha n'ụzọ, bangolo bangolo. Terrorists, bangolo bangolo. Criminal, bangolo bangolo. Oji egbezu, bangolo bangolo. Ewundo oshi na-akụ bangolo bangolo. Emeka onye oshi bangolo bangolo. Gị na ọyị gị nwanyị bangolo bangolo. Onye oshi ọkụkọ bangolo bangolo. Edebe ego ofu ọnụụlọ bangolo bangolo. Chara nụ ha n'ụzọ bangolo bangolo. Terrorists bangolo bangolo. Criminal bangolo bangolo.
Hello. Kelvin, they come back tomorrow. I've confirmed it. Yes, we will come back tomorrow. Yes. Okay.
Obodo nọ n'ụjọ. Gịnị na-afịakwa? Emeka onye oshi na-aga. Oji egbezu. Ọtụ mmanụ na-aza. Ọ chọrọ ịmakwa ihe na-afịọ. Ihe ọ mara bụ ihe ọ chọrọ o nweta ya. Anywhere you see I'm run. You know the good intentions. Not to kill and to rob. Community terrorists. Emeka onye oshi. Community terrorists. Oji egbezu. Community terrorists. Onye oshi egwu. Community terrorists. Onye oshi akụkọ. Community terrorists. Ọkọ kpọmkpọm. Ọjọ onye na community terrorists. Nwa na-ataba nna ya afọ. Community terrorists. Achara anya gị. Community terrorists. Oge ngụkọ na-abịa. Community terrorists. Ihe mere na-echekwa gị. Community terrorists. Achara anya gị. Community terrorists. Achara anya gị. Emeka. Community terrorists.
Hey, good day.
Good day, Alpha. What do you want?
Okay. I don't want anything.
Nothing.
Yes.
Then how can I help you?
Okay. Okay. Look, I help you carry this one.
Don't worry. I can do it.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, madam, why about this your fan?
No, I told you, don't worry, I will do it.
Make I go.
Yeah, you can go. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye. You can go. Bye-bye.
Criminal. Oge Okoye. They want to big community upside down with your nonsense life.
Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. I see money, many money for sure. Money, they keep money for sure. Plenty, many money. Yes. Okay.
Anywhere you see I'm wrong. You know the good intentions, not to kill and to rob. Community terrorists. Emeka Onyoshi, community terrorists. Oje Okoye, community terrorists. Onyoshi, community terrorists. Onyoshi Akoko, community terrorists. Okopom, Ojonye na community terrorists. Mwana ataba na ya for community terrorists. Acharanyagi, community terrorists. Ogengu kona bia community terrorists. Di mere ne chekwagi terrorists. Acharanyagi, community terrorists. Acharanyagi, Emeka community terrorists.
Who they sell?
Welcome. Let's see one there.
You get this kind bubble? Oh yeah, the money. You are still looking at me.
Be fast now, I'm on the website. Hurry up. Give it to me.
In there. Bring. More. It's not finished.
It's finished.
Carry. Baby, hold the change. Hold on. Nothing do you. Keep the change, Emeka, tomorrow.
Bachelors, hey, that's the man.
Now you born yesterday. Nobody saw you when you were coming in. No, you know it's bad. Nobody. You are sure?
Ask me. If you say
that's no problem.
Nobody see me now.
I'm rubber. Come on, I can't give up. What do you mean? Osondo. This is the end of the road for you. Kai, then they look at you well.
I know too well that the relationship between us has never been anything near good. Nevertheless, I am happy about what people have been able to achieve for yourselves now. But I still want to remind you that I am still your father and you are my children. There's no division. I mean...
Papa, there's no need to remind us about that because we already know. That's exactly why we're here.
Papa, you are still the only family we have. you are still our father. We hold no grudge against you, no matter what.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear. I will still ask that we dine and wine together once more as a family. Vicky, let's get us something, eh?
I have nothing against but dining and whining with your daughters. If you want to dine and wine with your daughters, they still know the way to the kitchen. Tony Marozi, don't you know the way to the kitchen again? Go to the kitchen and prepare something for us to eat, dine and wine together. In our dine, in our wine.
Victoria.
Papa, it's fine.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I can understand.
Baby, this is more or less Akweke.
You are crazy.
Yes, I'm crazy. I admitted though, I'm crazy.
Hey, baby, I didn't know that this drink, this Mama Nkechi drink,
Yes.
It do me.
Look at you. My own is doing me rebel. So all of them go d'accord. We leave ourselves on the bed.
Abi,
and do what we're supposed to do. Baby. What do you do?
Come here.
What do you do? Why did you do? What do you do? What happened?
The Christ!
What do you do? Oh, Namio.
The Maxia end. Okawamu ebune. Jibi ugwo. Emeka, Idago.
Only ya guy. What the akwa aka again? Ono ebu onwe.
If you need him say.
Please spare his life.
Madam,
spare his life. Oh, please spare his life.
Shut up.
Have mercy.
For what?
Please, have mercy now, please. Spare the life of my son. I am the cost. I am the cost. I cost it.
Hey.
I cost it. I went to the chief doctor.
What do you want me to do to them?
Chief priests, I want you to make them thieves. Everywhere they go, let them be known as thieves. Let things be getting lost as they pass. Yes, that's what I want.
Oh, Mucha?
Yes.
So.
Let them be thieves.
Woman, you said I should turn them to thieves, which I have done. What else do you want?
Chief priest, now I want them to be caught. I want them to be disgraced or even killed. Yes, I want them to be killed. That's what I want now. And let me find rest. Let them be killed and let everything end. Yes.
It's not possible.
What do you mean by it's not possible? You can do anything. You can do everything. You can make water to become blood. There's nothing you cannot do. So this one is a small thing for you. Just make them to be killed and I will have rest.
It's not possible because they were not born thieves, neither intentionally become thieves.
So there's nothing you can do.
absolutely nothing.
Hey! Another thing is now happening. See, my son Emeka is now mad. Why not?
Woman, I don't know what you are talking about.
What do you mean by you don't know what I'm talking about? I'm telling you that my son Emeka is now mad and you are telling me I don't know what you're talking about. Eh? Hey! Please, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm just confused. Please tell me what to do now. Please. Because tell me what to do.
There is nothing you will do unless you are willing to carry the cost.
Hey! Hey! Have one more. Carry which cost? I will carry any cost. I want to. What I said should happen to other people's children. Eh? Is that happening to my son? Please. There's nothing else you can do. That was what happened. I got the charm. I wanted to destroy them.
Mama, why?
Onye buru akwụkwọ mmụọ. Mama ya rịa nsogbu. Ndị mmụọ kwadoro ya. Ya na mmụọ ya nso.
Chai! Ibene mele ibene. Isi ga-apụ ya aja. Mana chelu, kedu ka ọkụkọ ga-esi rapụ onye gburu ya? Tụkwara ite onu. Hey! Alụmelu! Bịa nwaanyị a. Ọ sị na so. Obi adọrọ guys mma man. It's not about you got guys. It's not about you got guys. You, Victoria. You.
Hey! This young man is innocent of his crime. This is the woman that committed the crime. Boys, take her.
Papa rock train is going by too bad. Oh, look at my life. Emeka. So Mama caused this. Emeka. Above Nigerian news. Emeka, you see. My mother caused it. Hey. What a bad mother. Oh.